I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stake on Kraken. First, log into your Kraken account and navigate to the Earn section. Here, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies that support staking. Choose the asset you wish to stake, like Ethereum or Solana, and click on it. The platform will display the estimated annual rewards and any lockup periods. Once you've selected your desired asset, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to stake. Kraken will show you the potential earnings based on your input. Always double-check the details, including any fees or specific terms for that particular cryptocurrency. It's important to fully understand the commitment before proceeding with the staking process. After reviewing all the information, click the Stake button to confirm your decision. You'll receive a confirmation message, and your staked assets will then appear in your Earn portfolio. Rewards are typically distributed regularly, often weekly or bi-weekly, directly into your account. You can monitor your earnings and manage your staked assets from this section. To unstake your assets, simply return to the Earn section, select the asset and choose the Unstake option. Be aware that some assets may have an unstaking period, meaning it could take a few days for your funds to become available again. Always plan accordingly. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.